Alexis, and I will be teaching you how to do this DIY soft Play-Doh. First, you will need a measuring cup, mixing bowl, a spoon, hair conditioner, cornstarch, and some food coloring if you want to, or some beads or glitter, then it's your choice. And here we go. I'm going to be teaching you how to make this DIY soft Play-Doh. So first, you'll need to add the 2 cups of cornstarch. Take a spoon, get some cornstarch, and pour it in there. That's about 2 cups. So now we'll pour it into the mixing bowl. Mixing bowl. Then you will need another cup, 1 full cup of cornstarch again. Yeah. Now pour it in the mixing bowl. There. Now we will need 1 cup of conditioner. There we go. Now we will dump it in the bowl. Oh. Now we need to take the spoon and we need to stir as well. Then you will go in with your hands and knead. Nuts and mushrooms. When you're done kneading it, you can, with your hands, you can go ahead and add any food coloring, glitter, or anything you would like. Like I will be using some beads. And after you're done kneading, it should look like this. Next, I will be adding some food coloring and these little beads. So now let's go ahead and add some food coloring. Any color food coloring you would like. Then mix it to be that color. Any color you like, but I chose pink because I'm going for the colorful look, especially to go with the beads, rainbow beads. Already turning pink. Okay, now that I have mixed it into the food coloring and it's pink, I'll go ahead and add the beads. So now, time for the beads. like. But I'm going with these rainbow colorful beads. You can go for one plain color beads. This kind of looks like a birthday cake mold. Put a little bit more beads. This kind of looks like a birthday slime slash Play-Doh, but it's mainly soft Play-Doh. And there you have it. That is how you make your very soft Play-Doh. I hope you enjoyed.